Oh, yes! Perfect! You all ready? Well, here we go. Mini bikes with sleds in the snow absolutely works, folks. Do it. Scrape the sticker off that says don't. Because this is definitely wonderful. Takes a little figuring out. It's kind of like, I think we lost her. Yes.
Yeah, I couldn't let go, man.
So you gotta steer in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to be one-handed and try to steer.
I don't see how the disc would be any better.
Nah.
Yeah, I think it would go better with mini speed.
I think part of the problem is that we don't have a track for me to go in, so it just kind of leans one way. All right, pull ahead slow.
Pull hard and slow.
All right, we're good. Go.
Go?
Yeah.
Full throttle?
No. Just part throttle, not full throttle.
Is this good?
Yeah. Oh, we're good. Yeah, you go. Oh, goodness.
Yeah, you got that right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're good.
Alright, do a real casual turn here.
Yeah, I'm trying to make myself turn with it, with my hand. Oh, yeah, that works. Hey. Oh, go down. I'm down. Yeah, looks fine. Oh, I'm done. All right, I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Whoever said you shouldn't do this is wrong. Okay. You can go.
Ready?
Yeah, I think this turn is gonna do me in. We'll see.
Got it.
I'm kind of learning how to steer. Nope. Got it. All right, we're good. I'm gone.
Well, here we are.
That might be an alley shoulder. We'll see.
Well, that's how my bike is sinking right there. And right there. That's a little better. Alright. Keep your feet ready to go down. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy, I'm going down. Oh, hold on. No, no, I don't. Alright, here we go.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa. All right. Yeah. So we're going through the deep stuff. Yeah. Oh, I think I've got it. Yeah. Yeah. Just gotta see it in your head. Oh, roost, yes. This hill sucks, just warn you. If you want to go in the deeper stuff, because it's flat. Yeah, you gotta use your arms to steer, which actually pulls the bike, I think. Yes, yes, more. Oh boy, oh jeez, oh mercy me, oh my, oh dear. Oh, it's taking some core strength here. Oh, no, I got it. I can do this. All right, I'm gone. All right, I'm ready, I think. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yep. All right, I'm ready. Dump it. Well, maybe not. Just ripping the field up pretty good. Oh yeah. Yes, this is awesome. This is the best ever. Come on, you're pulling it through the deep stuff here. Need a little more from her. I'm pulling the back end. Yes. Yes, more. Wow, you're doing good. Oh boy, pull her back. Pull her back. Sorry about that, that's my fault. Your trailer swung. Yes. Is that a... Hold on, not yet. Let's go. Just keep going. Just keep going. No. Oh, yes, I can do it. I can do it. Pull her back. All right. Yeah. We can do this. This is great. Oh. Going for some isometric. Oh my goodness. I'm power sliding. I'm in the deep stuff. Oh, I'm gone.
Oh, it's like not even terrible.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Oh, that's mud. Oh, yes. Perfect. Snow roost. Yeah. Speed. Oh, we got slack. All right. We're kind of a team of sorts here, especially around this section. Yeah. All right, we'll do one more with you. Yeah, I figured out turning. All right, stop right up here. All right, good.
Almost. Okay, we're good. Alright. Alright, well, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This was super fun. If you haven't done this, yeah, do it. It's awesome. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Wow.
So here we have Nutri-Grain on Bush Lightning, and I'm riding on Dazed and Confused, the tie-dye sled. Let me get a good hold on it. All right, 3, 2, go. Here we go. Yep. Woo! Looks like you didn't beat my record though. All right.